Welcome back to English Tube Podcast. I'm Melissa.
And I'm Joseph. Today's episode is super helpful. We're talking about how to practice English by yourself.
Yes, many learners wonder how to improve when they don't have someone to speak with every day. Don't worry, you can make amazing progress on your own.
And we'll share practical tips, exercises, and simple routines you can do anywhere, at home, on your walk, or even while cooking.
Exactly. Practicing by yourself doesn't have to be boring. With the right methods, it can be fun, easy, and very effective.
So, let's start with one of the most important tips, listening and repeating.
Right. Listening to English, like podcasts, songs, or videos, and repeating what you hear is a great way to improve your pronunciation and fluency.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. It's normal. The more you practice, the better you get.
We'll also talk about speaking to yourself, shadowing, journaling, and using apps, all simple ways to practice alone.
So, if you've ever thought, I have no one to practice English with, this episode is for you. We'll make it easy and practical.
Perfect! Let's dive in and explore how to practice English by yourself in real life. So, Joseph, practicing English by yourself can feel tricky at first. Many people don't know where to start.
That's true, Melissa. But the key is to start small and make it a daily habit. Even 10-15 minutes a day can make a huge difference.
Absolutely. One simple method is listening and repeating. For example, listen to a short audio or podcast, then repeat what you hear. Try to copy the pronunciation and intonation.
Yes, and you can do this with movies, YouTube videos, or even songs. Pick a sentence, pause, repeat, and say it out loud. It helps your speaking feel natural.
Another tip is talking to yourself. It might feel funny, but it works. You can describe what you're doing, like, I am cooking rice, or I am going to clean my room.
Exactly. It trains your brain to think in English. You don't need another person. Just practice forming sentences and speaking them clearly.
And there's shadowing, which is slightly different. You listen to a native speaker and speak at the same time, trying to match their rhythm and tone.
Oh yes, shadowing is amazing. It helps with pronunciation, speed, and confidence. Even repeating a short news clip or dialogue works really well.
Another tip is journaling in English. You can write a few sentences about your day, your plans, or your thoughts, then read them out loud.
That's so helpful. Writing and speaking together strengthens vocabulary, grammar, and fluency. Even short entries are perfect.
And apps can help too. There are apps for vocabulary, grammar, speaking, and listening. Even a few minutes a day can improve your skills.
Totally. And one important tip is to practice regularly, not perfectly. Don't worry about mistakes. The more you try, the more confident you get.
Yes. Also, try to use English in daily life. Think in English while shopping, cooking, or walking. For example, I need milk. I will buy it. Small sentences like this help a lot.
And don't forget listening actively. When you listen to conversations, songs, or videos, try to understand the main ideas. Later, repeat or summarize them in your own words.
Exactly. Even just 5 to 10 minutes of speaking or repeating aloud every day is better than hours of passive listening without speaking.
And one more thing, set small goals. For example, today I will learn 5 new words, or I will speak English for 10 minutes. Goals keep you motivated.
Yes, the main idea is that practicing alone is very effective if you're consistent, curious, and brave enough to speak even to yourself.
Absolutely. Just small steps every day make a big difference. Even a few minutes of practice can really improve your confidence over time.
And the best part is you can do it anywhere, at home, on a walk, or while doing simple tasks.
Exactly. It's all about finding little ways to use English naturally and enjoying the process.
That's right. With patience and regular practice, speaking English alone can be simple and even fun.
Yes, just take it one step at a time and don't forget to celebrate small successes along the way.
So, Joseph, even when we practice English by ourselves, we eventually need to use it with other people. Social interactions can feel tricky at first.
Absolutely. But the good news is, small phrases and polite words go a long way. Something as simple as, "Hi, how are you?" or "Nice to meet you" can start a conversation naturally.
And listeners, here's a question for you. What's the first thing you usually say when meeting someone new? Comment below and let us know.
Yes, it's fun to see how everyone starts a conversation. And a tip, you don't need long sentences. Short, friendly phrases are perfect.
Another useful approach is showing interest in the other person. Questions like, "What do you like to do in your free time?" or "How's your day going?" are simple but effective.
Right. And when someone answers, you can respond naturally with phrases like, "Really? That's interesting." Or even, "Me too." Short responses show you're listening.
And listeners, think about this. Have you ever felt nervous talking to someone new? It's normal. One trick is to smile and make eye contact. It makes both you and the other person feel more comfortable.
Exactly. Body language is important. And if you're unsure what to say next, you can share a small detail about yourself like, "I like reading books too," or "I enjoy listening to music."
Another subtle but helpful tip is using polite transitions in conversations. For example, "By the way," or "Speaking of that," can help you switch topics naturally.
And when ending a conversation, it's nice to say something polite like, "It was nice talking to you," or "I hope we can chat again soon." It leaves a friendly impression.
Listeners, here's a quick challenge for you. Try using one friendly question or one polite phrase the next time you meet someone new. Then comment and tell us how it went.
Yes, we'd love hearing your experiences. Social interactions become easier the more you practice, even if it's just one small phrase at a time.
And remember, the goal isn't perfect English. It's connecting with people. Small phrases, politeness, and showing interest are more important than long sentences.
Exactly. Every friendly conversation you have is a step forward. Even practicing just a few phrases daily will make your social interactions much more natural.
All right, Joseph, let's go over 6 important words we use today.
Sounds good.
Next word is greet. Greet means to say hello to someone. Example, I greeted my new neighbor this morning.
Next word is polite. Polite means being kind and respectful in your words or actions. Example, it's polite to say please and thank you.
Next word is conversation. Conversation means talking with someone. Example, we had a conversation about our favorite movies.
Next word is interest. Interest means showing that you care about what someone is saying. Example, she showed interest in my hobby and asked questions.
Next word is nervous. Nervous means feeling a little scared or worried, especially when talking to someone new. Example, I felt nervous before speaking to my teacher.
Next word is confident. Confident means feeling sure about yourself or your skills. Example, after practicing, I felt confident speaking English.
These 6 words are really useful for social interactions. Using them will help you speak naturally and politely. Wow, Joseph, we shared so many tips today about practicing English by yourself.
Yes, and listeners, remember, even a few minutes every day can make a big difference. You don't need anyone else to improve.
That's right. Start small, use simple words, repeat what you hear, and speak to yourself whenever you can.
And don't forget, mistakes are normal. Every time you try, you're learning and getting better.
We'd love to hear from you. Comment below and tell us which tip you will try today.
And if you enjoyed this episode, remember to subscribe, share it with your friends, and give it a thumbs up.
Practicing English by yourself can be fun, simple, and effective. Just take it one step at a time.
Yes, keep practicing, stay confident, and don't be afraid to speak. You're doing great.
Thanks so much for listening. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing and enjoy your English journey.